Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak encebollado. Start by choosing thin, tender steak and slicing onions while the pan heats. Season meat lightly with salt and pepper, then quickly sear to lock in juices. Caramelize onions slowly with a splash of vinegar for brightness. Finish by returning steak to the pan to mingle with the sauce. Taste, adjust seasoning, and plate with your preferred sides for a satisfying meal. Gather your ingredients and prep efficiently to keep cooking smooth and quick. Thinly slice the steak against the grain and pat it dry to ensure a perfect sear. Slice 2 large onions and mince garlic so they cook evenly. Keep a tablespoon of vinegar ready to brighten the sauce at the end. Have oil, salt, and pepper within reach so you can move between searing meat and caramelizing onions without delay. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs, stray rice, and kitchen chaos with voice control, so you can focus on plating instead of sweeping. It even navigates around chair legs and finds those fallen onion bits without complaint. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Heat a pan until very hot and sear the thin steak quickly for a brown crust while keeping the center tender. Remove meat and reduce heat, then add onions to the same pan and cook slowly until they turn a deep golden color. Add minced garlic near the end, deglaze with a splash of vinegar, and return the steak to warm through. Finish with a final taste and small seasoning adjustments before serving hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.